Placeit now lets you make iOS screenshots to upload to the App Store. This is great, but what's even greater is how easy it is to create these. In this video, I'll show you how to make an iOS screenshot from scratch using Placeit's App Store screenshot generator. First of all, you will need an app screenshot. That's it. We will use this iPhone screenshot I just took today with my iPhone 7 as an example. Okay. Step 1. Visit Placeit and then select iOS screenshots from the menu on the left. You will see dozens of different templates to choose from. Go ahead and select one that will highlight your screenshot. If the most important element of your image is in the bottom, you can choose a template that focuses on the bottom part of the device, like this one for example. Our screenshot doesn't really have a particular element at the bottom or at the top, so we can just go for a template that shows the entire device. So we can choose this one for example. It shows the entire iPhone and it's a white and silver model. Now that you have your template, just drag and drop your screenshot. See how easy it is? Okay, as I said, this screenshot I just took it with my iPhone 7, so it's the exact size that it needs to be. If your image is not the exact size, don't worry about it. You can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can drag it over here to reposition it, but this one is okay, so I just click on reset and crop. Beautiful, huh? Now your screenshot is inside the iPhone and we can go ahead and play with it to customize this template according to your brand. First, you can choose a background that highlights the screenshot and goes along with your brand's colors. Over here, you have lots of different options. You can choose a solid color. If you want a flat background, you can choose a color over here, maybe black, or you can even click here on more, and you're going to have an option to select different shapes or even type your own hex code. For example, let's say I want black, okay? But in this case, I might go with a light gray. I think this one really supports my image, so we can go ahead and add some texture over it. So as you can see, these are really easy to apply. You just click on the background and it automatically displays on the image. So since my image has bright colors like the red, white, and black, we can choose a more neutral tone for the background. For example, this one looks good, or perhaps a little design element on the back. Okay, I like this one, okay? See how the gray blends with the background and the lines do show on the back, but it doesn't really steal the focus from your screenshot. So I think this looks good. Now that you have the background that goes with your image, we can go ahead and play with the text options. First, you can choose a heading for your app. I'm gonna put over here, #1 fitness app. It will automatically display on the template. Now, you can either erase the body part. This will give more priority to the heading. As you can see, it's larger now. Or you can write something over here to support it. I can write, your personal trainer. This one is also displaying right now on the template. You can play with the fonts. This one looks good, but let me show you a couple options. Just so you know, there's a lot of variety. So you can pick a font style that's going to go with your brand. This one is a little bit italic or a cursive font. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to go for this one. Okay, it's simple. It goes with the theme that I'm going over here with. And let me choose one for the body. Now I can go ahead and select the color for my font. You can choose again one of these preset colors, or you can click on more, type a hex code, or choose a shade over here. I'm gonna go with this dark gray because I really think it brings out the background. This one looks good. Over here maybe a lighter shade. This looks good. Now what you can do is play with the alignment of the text as well. This one is centered. You can choose to align it a little bit to the left. You can align it to the right as well. If you add less text over here, it's going to show a little bit more. For example, let's say I erase the word app. So it just says number 1 fitness. The font is larger. So that's it. That's all you need to do. Note how Placeit will export your screenshot in a 5.5-inch size, which is the only option you really need, since iTunes Connect lets you size down to different templates by just clicking a checkbox. So I'm going to download over here. Okay, so our download has processed now. It's already on your Placeit drive, as you can see over here. You're also going to get an email with a download link. You can download it right here. See, it went straight to your computer. Look how beautiful it is. Look how sharp the image is. The mockup looks beautiful. The screenshot in it looks super sharp. Your text, the background, this is ready to add to the App Store screenshot. Are you ready to make your own? Go ahead and visit Placeit to create powerful visuals that will make you sell more. I hope this video will be useful for creating your App Store screenshots. Apple recommends uploading between 3 and 5 iOS screenshots to your app. Click the link below to learn more about saving money with a subscription.